Hi guys, this is Jamil and you are watching JTCAD. In this video tutorial we will learn how we can recreate this profile in Civil 3D. We have an image or a print or just a PDF of a profile. We just have a profile, we don't have alignment data, we don't have any other data. Now we just want to recreate this profile to calculate more levels at several intervals that we need. So first of all we will go to Civil 3D and I will start by create a new drawing with this template, AutoCAD Civil 3D metric. It will create a new drawing. First of all we need the alignment, at least what is the total length of this profile, which is 313.04. We will simply create one polyline. PL enter. It will start from here and it is 313.04 meter length. Enter. So here is our polyline, which is 313.04 meter length. We will create this profile, convert it to alignment, which we can do from here. Alignment, create alignment from objects. We will select the object starting from here and it is ending. Enter. We will say it is rod 1 or anything you want, and whatever we need you can set. If you don't need, you can just leave it as it is. Okay, and you can see the stations are marked on the alignment. Now go to Prospector tab, and Prospector tab, in Tool Space Prospector tab, go and create a dummy surface from here, or you can also create from here. Create surface. We will say it is none surface because there will be no data in this surface. We are just creating it for creating a profile. For profile we need a surface at anyhow. So in Tool Space Prospector tab, now you will see here is your surface. Now that we have a surface, we can create a profile. From profile you can see the first option is create surface profile. You can come here and you can also create from here as well. Create surface profile, select alignment. The surface you have to select is none, the one we created already. Click on add, draw profile view. This will be the profile view setting that you need to do, and hit next. Starting station and ending station I will specify -10, and ending will be a little bit more, which will be 320 meter. And elevation will start, our profile elevations are starting from 100 to 135, so we will give the same pattern. 100, we don't need to split, and 135. Next, and create profile. We'll click here. Now here is our grid that we want to create the profile. Here our profile will be created. This is the grid. Let's see how the grid looks like. The vertical graph is vertical is 1:10 and horizontal is 1:1. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we will create a design profile. This red line is the design profile we need to create. The data we will use is the vertical intersection points and the length of vertical curves. This is the data that we will be using to create this profile. So we will go to Civil 3D, and from profile we will go to profile creation tools. is asking which profile view to create profile. We are saying this profile, and the profile name will be road 1 design profile, or design. That's enough, or whatever it is, just leave it. Okay, now this window pops up and we will be working on here. The first option is draw tangents with curves. This is what we need to use. Click it, and now you can see it is asking where you want to specify the points. So let's see how our profile actually looks like. We need to draw tangents first, so we will draw all the tangents and it will automatically create the curves, vertical curves in between the tangents. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 tangents. We will just simply click on any tangents that maybe we will need. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Enter, and you can see it has created tangents and there are curves in between. Now the next thing we will do is we will modify this all data to match with our profile. If you click on this panorama profile grid view, this window will pop up. We will use this window to match our stations and PVI and length of curves, profile curve length, to match with our own profile. So let's see, the first PVI is station is 0 and the elevation is 122.760. The next PVI is written here 19.873. It is saying that cannot solve because this curve is much bigger and it will not fit in this chain edge. Just minimize all of the curves and we will modify the lengths later on. Let it be like this, and after that we will modify the curve lengths also. So the next chain edge is 19.873. Here you see we have a tangent and the elevation is 122.036. The next PVI is 104.331. 104.331. The elevation is 109.367. 109.367. And the next PVI we have is 250.491. 250.491. No, instead of that we need to modify this one and this one. We will see how we can modify and work it out. 250.491. 250.491. 50.491, because this PVI is already at before 250, so it should not be here actually. Yes, we will keep it here, and then we will see if it is okay or no. So this PVI should be somewhere here. 250.491. Let's see how it works. 250.491, and the elevation is 118.577. 577, and the second last PVI is 284.697. 284.697, which should be somewhere here. Two 84.697, and its elevation is 119.261. The last PVI is 311.04, and PVI level is 120.807. Right. So now that we have created the line, and now we will adjust the vertical curves. The first vertical curve at chain edge 19 is length is 15 meter, which is here 19, and the curve should be 15 meter length. The next one is at station 104, which is this one, and the length of curve is 85 meter. Should be 85. You can see how it almost looks the same we have here. The next PVI is 250, and the length of vertical curve is 35. Instead of 10, we will give 35, and the last vertical curve is 32.003. 32.003. So this is how our profile looks like. It is looking like this because the vertical scale is different here, and it is not the same as we have in here. You can change this vertical scale if you want. From 1 to 10, we can say 1 to 1. Okay, it will look smoother. If you want a different way, you can say 5 or to 2. Let's say 1 to 5, and now it looks similar to what we have here, right? Well, let's see how the levels that we have calculated, the profile is created, and now we need the levels below here. We'll go to file view properties and bands, and in bands we need to show the file data, elevations and station. We will select this, add, and this is the surface. Instead of that surface, we will need the levels for road 1 design. Okay, gap will be 0. Uncheck this so we can change this to, we want to say that each 5 meter there should be a level. Show level at start and show level at the end. Hit enter, apply. Okay, now that they are overlapping, we will simply go here and change the scale. You can see here in our profile that we have in printout, The levels at chain edge 50 is 117.517. 117 point should be 517. Here we have two digits. Let's go here and change the edit the band style. Band style major station compose label. This is the label that we want to edit. We want to edit the FG elevation. I don't know that is FG elevation or what. I hope it is FG elevation. Let's go here and change the precision, but this is already 3 digits. I hope that is EG elevation that is shown. Yeah, it is 2 digits. So let's go here and change it to 3 digits. Apply. OK. Apply. OK. I believe we need to change it to road 1 elevations and stations, major, minor, and it is EG elevations. We need to change here as well from 2 digits to 3 digits. Add, apply, OK, apply, OK, OK, OK. You can see here now it is showing 3 digits and here it is showing 2 digits because we are showing profile 1 to none surface, and the other is showing proposed profile. Apply and OK. Let's verify the level at the station 100. It should be 111.842. 111.842. The next station we need to know is station 200. Should be 115.395. 115.395. And in between whatever levels are there, they will be fine. At 250 it is 118.368. 118.368. And level 300 is 120.096. 120.1, sorry, 308, 120.096. Instead of this, there is some difference, some changes there. We need to verify that. So this is the whole process. This all you need to verify, and all the levels, they will look fine. It is not an issue, I believe. The ending level is 120.807. and the ending chain edge is 313.04. See, we have different station. Should be 313.04. Hopefully now the level will be fine. 300 chain edge 120.096. 120.096. and at 250 is 118.368. 118.368. All the other levels will be fine, and your profile is created already. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and let me know if you like the video.